Crypto Daybook Americas. Retail shift to riskier tokens Jolts Bitcoin, Ether. Your day ahead look for May 15, 2025. You are viewing Crypto Daybook Americas, your new morning briefing on what happened in the crypto markets overnight and what's expected during the coming day. Crypto Daybook Americas will arrive in your inbox at 7 a.m. Eastern Time to kickstart your morning with comprehensive insights. If you're not already subscribed, click here. You won't want to start your day without it. By Francisco Rodrigues. All times ET unless indicated otherwise. The cryptocurrency market pulled back over the last 24 hours, led by declines in major coins as retail investors switched out of large-cap tokens and into smaller, more speculative assets. Both Bitcoin BTC $103,977.25 and Ether ETH $2,565.91 dropped around 2%, and the CoinDesk 20 index, CD20, a measure of the broad market, fell 2.7%. We've observed a significant week-on-week increase in retail participation, reinforcing the broader narrative of rising optimism, said Jake O., an over-the-counter trader at Wintermute. The shift down the risk curve is most evident in retail screen flows. Institutional investors, for their part, have been more conservative. They're still stocking up on Bitcoin, Ether, and XRP $2.37, while easing off positions in Solana SOL $171.59, which has faced sustained pressures. Some are viewing Solana underperformance as an opportunity to position for Solana topside, Jake noted, pointing to steady buying in $200 Solana call options ahead of June and July. Other options activity suggests traders are hedging for volatility ahead. Call spreads on Ether were unwound and some traders moved into collar structures, strategies often used to protect against price swings, signaling caution after recent gains. The growing hedging activity adds a note of caution to retail's swing to speculation. Economic uncertainty, lingering inflation pressures, and U.S. tariff policy are all weighing on risk appetite in crypto as well as traditional markets. Global asset managers, in fact, currently have their largest underweight position in the U.S. dollar in 19 years. Even though President Donald Trump secured a major investment deal with Qatar and a temporary reduction in U.S.-China tariffs, these outcomes may lead to further downside. Spanish bank Bankinter said in a note that the market has shown fatigue over the last trading session. We still think the damage is done. Both EPS and prices should feel the strain, with rising inflationary pressures preventing the Fed from cutting rates as much as the market expects. The bank's analysts wrote, market participants are set to now focus on producer price inflation and retail sales data, as well as on Fed Chair Jerome Powell's speech later today. For the crypto market, a retest of the all-time high isn't out of the picture. Looking ahead, we believe there is further room for digital assets to rally, especially as Coinbase inclusion into the S&P 500 on May 19 draws closer. Singapore-based QCP Capital wrote, stay alert. CoinDesk's consensus is taking place in Toronto on May 14 to 16. Use code DAYBOK and save 15% on passes. Spot BTC ETFs. Spot ETH ETFs. Source, Farside Investors. Francisco is a reporter for CoinDesk with a passion for cryptocurrencies and personal finance. Before joining CoinDesk, he worked at major financial and crypto publications. He owns Bitcoin, Ether, Solana, and PXG above CoinDesk's $1,000 disclosure threshold. Omkar Godbole is a co-managing editor on CoinDesk's markets team based in Mumbai, holds a master's degree in finance and a chartered market technician, CMT member. Omkar previously worked at FX Street, writing research on currency markets and as fundamental analyst at Currency and Commodities Desk at Mumbai-based brokerage houses. Omkar holds small amounts of Bitcoin, Ether, BitTorrent, Tron, and DOT.